Okay. So this is Sydney Boys 2020 question 27 worth 3 marks. If the sum of the first 10 terms of this series is negative 110, find the value of x. All right. In series, we have two different types of functions. What are those two functions? APs or GPs. So the first step you've got to work out is this an AP or a GP? So is it going up by a common difference or is it going up by a common ratio? All right, can we see that they're all sub-bases of 2's? All right, to me, I'll just cancel them out firstly. You can't technically, but you'll cancel them out just to make your math a little bit simpler. So you'll cross them out, you're not interested in this. So really, you're interested in more ln 1 over x plus ln 1 over x squared plus ln 1 over x cubed, and so on. Yes? Next thing is, what do we usually do when it's a log and a fraction? Minus, there we go, minus log 1 minus log x plus log 1 minus log x squared plus log 1 minus log x cubed. Still good? What happens to all the log 1's? They become 0. So actually, it's just negative ln x, negative ln x squared, negative ln x cubed. And what would I do next? Because I don't know if it's an AP or GP just yet. What would I do next? Yeah, you could do that. I wouldn't recommend it just yet. Just think of log still. No, you're not solving yet. Think of logs. Think of the fact that it looks like that. Bring the power down. Bring them down. So then, from there, you probably all can tell if it's a AP or a GP. That is obviously a AP because it's being subtracted by a log. So log minus log becomes negative 2 log. Negative 2 log, subtract another log, becomes negative 3 log. So what's your common difference now? Negative ln x. Make sense? What does your A equal to? Also negative ln x. A is your first term. What's your formula for the sum of the first 10 terms? S of 10 for an AP. N on 2. 2A plus N minus 1D. Is that okay? Formula sheet, or you've memorized it. What does S of 10 equal to? What does the sum equal to? Negative 110. 10 over 2 is 5. Negative 2 ln x. Negative 9 ln x, because 10 take away 1 is 9. We're getting very close. Minus 2 minus 9, minus 11. Negative 110 equals negative 11 times 5 is negative 55 log x. Everyone's okay with that?
Where do we get the negative 110?
Negative, because the question said the sum of the first 10 terms is negative 110. Otherwise, you'll have 2 missing letters, and the only way you could do 2 missing letters is simultaneous equations. So since I don't have another equation, they gave me that term. Now, at this stage, I'm going to divide by negative 55. So I get ln x is equal to 2. Now I pause, and this is where everybody would have gone wrong. You got to remember I did something at the beginning that I wasn't technically allowed. I got rid of that 2. I just got rid of that 2 because it's just so much easier for your math, as you can see. So it's actually not ln x, it's actually ln x on ln 2, because technically it is meant to be a log x and 2. That's what it's going down by. Technically. Makes sense? Wait, one more time. I got rid of the 2's right at the beginning here. Look at it. So technically this whole function was divided by log 2, log 2, log 2, log 2. But instead of making it complicated like that, I just went, let's get rid of it. And then we brought it back right at the end. There it is, divided by log 2. Now, yes, equals to 2. Bring the log 2 up. Bring the 2 up. And what does x equal to? X equals to 4. When you exponential it. 3 marks. It could have been an easy series question. Obviously it wasn't. It's more of a higher end series question. Okay. Any questions about that? Stop that recording.